I'm not gonna lie, guys, this bike is freaking dope as hell. And I already know what you're saying, it's a freaking step through. But hear me out, this bike is freaking sick. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm riding on. You guys already seen it if you guys actually watch my channel. Initially, when I unboxed this bike, I noticed that it had a lot of cheap components on there, and I was like, dude, this bike is about to be whack. But ever since I took it on a first ride, this bike has been dope as hell. Now, it only maxes out at 19, 20 miles per hour, but it has a ton of acceleration. Like when you're in that 10 to 15 mile per hour range, this bike works perfectly. And it has front suspension. Also comes with front and rear fenders, and it has a rear seat on the back. Unfortunately, it does have a long giraffe neck stem, but you guys already know what we're gonna be doing with that. Good morning. Overall, I just think this will be a fun bike to have for anybody. Let's see how fast we can go uphill. Pedaling, we're in gear 7. Going 19 miles per hour, max speed, uphill, okay. We're gonna power through this turn. Oh my, all right, let's see what this bike is talking downhill. Currently going 19 miles per hour. We're engaging the throttle. It's not doing anything. 22, 23, 24, 25. Uh-oh, we're dropping speed. Dude, the speedometer is off low key. It was saying we were dropping speed, but we were going faster. All right, guys, so this is the bike that we're riding today. It's called the Hitway, it's called the Hitway BK6. You guys remember this bike when I first unboxed it? I wasn't a fan of this battery placement. After riding this bike a couple of times, this joint is freaking sick. Like I said, it does have this rear seat so you can ride with a passenger on there. It comes in this all black look. I think it's super dope, and it's really affordable. We're gonna be giving this bike away. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's right, we're gonna be giving this away to a lucky subscriber. I wanna fully customize this thing, all right? I think it's dope, but we're gonna make it even better. We're gonna switch out these bars for BMX. We might even do some custom body work. Who knows? Watch all my videos, all right? You need to pay attention. If you really want to get this bike, you gotta pay attention. Now, if you guys don't want to enter the giveaway, don't subscribe to my channel and go ahead and spend your own money and buy this bike. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below.
Hey, Max.
Oh, it's recording. Oh, okay, we're good. Okay, go. What's up, guys? Today we're surprising the kid with a brand new e-bike. From the whole interaction, fuck it. Be natural.
You know who I am? Of course I know who you are.
Who?
David?
You watching my videos, bro?
Yes. Yes, bro. I was watching you last night, bro.
Seriously?
Yes.
What the hell, dude? That's sick. What's your name?
Austin.
Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, we just rolling around. You skateboard? Let me see something.
I'm trying to,
My cousin. This is my cousin.
What's going on, man?
Nice to meet you. I seen you in the video yesterday.
Oh, dope, man.
All right, let's see what you got. Let's see if you can make it into my video.
If I can make it in here.
Yeah, if you land a trick, I'll keep it in the video. Okay.
Oh.
Dang. Go. Ooh. That's dope. That's dope. So you be skating every day?
Just about every day.
Yeah. And watching my videos, huh? I've been doing it for a couple years, so that's why I know. I didn't even know what an e-bike was in like 2020. You know what I mean? Like during COVID, I didn't even know what these things were. But now like my garage is full. Check this one out though. This one's sick. Have you seen my newest video?
No.
This is like one of my newer e-bikes that I got. Hop on it real quick.
Right
Bro, you're breaking code. You're revealing your face.
Yo. Yo.
Dude, those are freaking tight.
Let's get a close up real quick at the
Where you get those joints from? Let me get those.
Drip.
Yeah. Other cars.
Nope, you good. You good.
Dude, you look sick on that one. That's tight. How's it feel?
It feels good.
It's nice, son. That seat is super
Especially
tight.
since it's hot, there's like the wind blowing.
Shit, I'm about to get hit. That's dope, huh? Guess what?
What?
This is your bike. This is your bike, man.
You for real?
Yeah,
my
dude,
bike?
this is your bike, dog.
You playing with
You
me?
just rode your bike for the first time.
Actually?
Yeah, that's all you.
Yo!
That's all you, man. I think it's perfect for you. What you think? You don't even know what to say. What are we saying, man? You don't want it? You don't want it?
No,
I take it
like,
back.
what?
Yeah, that's all you.
Oh
that's
my
all you,
gosh. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's you, man. So now you can ride it whenever you want.